This is a preview of the ExamXoom online software system. The purpose of this tool is to improve exam efficiency for the physician, improve diagnostic accuracy, identify areas needing further investigation or necessary treatment, improve communication with the patient, other healthcare providers, and insurance companies, and to improve economic efficiencies by identifying appropriate need for care. We do this by providing a comprehensive database of tests, a unique set of data visualization tools, and an interactive community for professional discussion. This is the ExamXoom homepage. From here, you can access the database of tests. This database has a unique feature which allows you to not only search for the name or description of a test, but also by the region or regions that test includes. You can also search a single region test for specific tissues or systems involved in that test. Let's do our first search by looking for a multi-regional test. This is a test that involves more than one region of the body. You select different search criteria you want to look for. In this case, I'm going to include the cervical region and thoracic region. In the table that is displayed, you see a list of tests, as well as markers indicating additional regions that might be involved in that test. For more information, I can click on the name of the test. I now have a page with a description of the test, as well as criteria for grading the test and additional information. Near the bottom of the page are the Q values. The Q values define what regions or systems the test involves. The power of ExamXoom comes from using these definitions directly in our exam process. Let's take a look at how the Q values make ExamXoom a revolutionary product. We will return to the home page and click Perform Exam. The next page contains a list of all the exams we can perform, and if we click on an exam, we can see the test items contained in that exam. The exam, as well as the test items and Q values, are all customizable by registered users. Let's begin by clicking Start Exam. In this case, we are looking at the top-tier tests from the SFMA protocol. I can click through and grade each test as pass or fail, and I can also add in a measurement or note if needed. As I record more tests, you can see the body map and clinical decision support items populate. These can guide my exam or direct me to treatment. The clinical decision support I am using involves the SFMA algorithm, but these features are selectable by the user. I can also choose to select additional exams. In this case, it is indicated that we perform the cervical breakout. I continue to get updates to my body map and CDS. When I have completed my exam, I can look at a detailed report. In this report, I have a table of my exam results as well as the measurements and notes recorded, a list of my CDS items as well as body maps indicating areas tested, and pain-generating regions. Scrolling down, we can also see a detailed section of a specific region. On this chart, we see different systems such as the soft tissues, joints, nerves, motor control, stability and posture, vascular, visceral, and metabolic. This report can also be printed and used to help educate the patient or to share with other physicians for coordination of care. ExamXoom is currently in development with an anticipated release date of July 2016. The database of exams will be freely available for anyone to search. Performing exams, data visualization, and community involvement will be based on a subscription model which you can participate in either on a monthly or yearly basis. Early subscribers will receive additional discounts. Your next step should be to register for the site for free, and you can start to add your own tests and Q values. This will be free until the official release date. You can also sign up for our email list to begin receiving updates and be notified of new features. We'd love for you to start providing feedback on desirable features, your favorite functions, and criticisms of the site. For more information, you can contact me, Dr. Doug Maxiner, at 314-324-2645 or email me at drdugm@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.